Myself Maga, my topic is parallel in serial out shift register. Explore the fascinating world of parallel in serial out shift register, a fundamental component in digital electronics for efficient data conversion and transmission. What is a shift register? A foundation. A shift register is a sequential logic circuit that stores and transfers digital data. It composed of a serial of flip-flop where each flip-flop stores one bit of data. Data can be shifted in one and out one bit at a time, serially or all bits at once in parallel. Shift registers are essentially building blocks in various digital systems, from memory units to communication interface. Next one is introducing the parallel in serial out register. The parallel in serial out register is designed to convert parallel data into serial data. This is particularly useful when data needs to be transmitted over a single line, saving pins and in reducing complexity in communication systems. Imagine converting a multi-lane highway into a signal lane tunnel for efficient traffic flow. That's essential what a parallel in serial out register does for digital data. Next one is the parallel loading process, getting data in. The parallel loading process have three processes. First one is load control activation. Second one is simultaneously input. Third one is clock pulse capture. First, load control activation. A control signal is set to enable parallel loading. Simultaneously input. All parallel data bits are applied to the respective of flip-flop inputs. The inputs are given to P0, P1, P2, etc. Clock pulse capture. A signal clock pulse loads all input data into the flip-flop simultaneously. The next one is serial shift process, getting data out. These are have three types: shift control activation, bit by bit output, sequential readout. First one is shift control activation. A control signal is switched to enable serial shifting. Bit by bit output, which each a subsequent clock pulse, one bit of data shifts from the serial output. Sequential layout. The least significant bit typically exits first, followed by the rest LSP method. The next one is advantages and designing concentration for a parallel in serial out. Register advantages: reduce pin count for data transmission, simplifies wiring and board layout. Third one is facilitating long distance data communication. Fourth one is efficient for converting microcontroller bus data to serial specified data. Next one is design concentration. Ensure proper simultaneous with clock pulse. Manage timing for parallel loading with serial shifting. Considering propagation delays in high-speed application. Select flip-flop types based on speed and power requirements. Thank you.